Hello Zealous, text column in Excel, aka Excel data separation. So these are raw data. So these are raw data here. In this column, we can see the name of the company and the state they are actually operating. So, and they are all classified under one department. Now, we can see that this is the different state here. So, we have Cloud Tech Textiles, Frustrated New York, Operation Florida, we have Big Data California. So, what we wanted to do is to separate the company then from the state. So, let's dive in. So, I'll come here, I'll type my state here, I'll type my state, then come to the side. So, now, I'll click here and I'll highlight everything. Let me highlight everything here. Click, hold, and highlight. Now, that is the first step. The second step is to go to data. This is data. In case you are home before, just click on data. So you come to this interface here. Then locate data tools or anywhere you see text to column. They see here. So you can click on it. You'll see a kind of prompt here. You see delimited. So what you need to do is to click on next. After you click next, from tab here to other, so just click on the other, then inside this input here, press shift minus to have our words. So our underscore, you can see that it's the underscore that actually separates Cloud Tech from Texas. So these are data preview here. Then the next thing we need to do is to click on next. After you click on next, where is the destination of our data? So let me click here, just come here. These are destination in column day 3. So click on the blue down arrow back and that is all. That is all. You are through with your text to column. Just click on finish. Yaxi. You can say that you successfully actually separate our data. So the Cloud Tech, which is the company, and the state they actually operating, it's actually separated. So some company prefer it this way, while some people put everything under department. It depends on the kind of company you're working for or the kind of data you're working for. So this is Xerox Premier University. We encourage you to like, to share, and to subscribe to our channel to actually give you a very wonderful premium content. So, I'll say Xerox Premier University, light out.